Robert with Frantz Enterprise. I want to show you a little bit about my best video app here and kind of guide you through it. What I have here is I have templates, and I have 15 templates per page. I have 37 pages of templates, a lot of templates. You can browse through each page, or you can go up here to the categories, and I can go through those with you. We have logos, we have motion titles, we have live mock-ups, we have whiteboard, explainer, slideshow, and of course promotions. We're going to go down here and let's pop a quick one here and let's watch it. Okay, let's say we don't like that one and we want another one. Let's try this one. And let's just go ahead and watch it. It's 33 seconds long. Okay. Anyway, you can go through these and watch them. Let's make one real quick and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, any of this can be modified. The pictures, the text, the colors, everything. Basically what this is a template. And if you like the design, you fill in your stuff and makes your video. If that's the video you want, you'd come down here and click Buy Video. Comes to the next page. You'd fill out your name, you put in your email, you add your attachments, which would be your logo or pictures or a small video. And then we have notes down here where you tell me what you want me to do with this video. In other words, background colors to match your brand and whatever you want me to write in what order. And we can collaborate a little bit if there's a little bit of confusion on that. Below that's a coupon code, and then of course the payment. Up here you can watch the video again. You can pop it in full screen and you can pop it back. You can watch it by just clicking that right there. Well, that pretty well does it. Anyway, enjoy it. I wish you a wonderful day. Take care.